Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot P50. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non, swipe, pattern, pin and password. First let's select and check non, then swipe, pin, password, and in the end, pattern. When it's done, we can set up face unlock. And now simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.